guys, we're at Las Garzas Waterfall. You probably can't hear me over the sound of the water flowing, but as you can see in the clips that I took, it is absolutely beautiful here. Right now, I'm kind of right above the waterfall. The waterfall is right back behind me. You can see my brother just hanging out down there. My wife's down here with her feet in the water, just relaxing, being beautiful. And my brother and his wife are just hanging out, enjoying this beautiful weather as well. Everyone needs to get out and experience this. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that I will never forget. I'm just really happy that I was able to bring you all along. So I hope you guys are enjoying this Puerto Rico series. We're having a blast. I'm not shooting nearly as much footage as I was planning on. I'm just living in the moment. I'm enjoying it. We don't have Wi-Fi signal down here like we originally thought we were going to, so all of these videos are going up late. But I just want to let you guys know I love each and every single one of you. I appreciate you guys coming along on this journey with me. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care.